Tujunga is that town you may have never been to, even if you've lived in Los Angeles your whole life. It's really, really beautiful. You're surrounded by these beautiful foothills and huge mountains in the background. It's small, cute, quaint, and about 20 miles from downtown or Hollywood. But I'm starting to hear more about it, mostly because it's such an affordable town. It's right near the mountains, has nature trails, and plenty for families to do. And that's probably why flippers are starting to flock here. Totally see why somebody would live here. For my next potential clients, I've arrived to a small 1,300 square foot, 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath diamond in the rough. And I mean rough.
I don't know what the previous owner was thinking here when they put this thing on.
I'm here to meet Anthony, a full-time real estate agent, part-time flipper, and his brother Anton, his new project manager. After a couple of recent losses in Los Angeles, they cannot afford a third. Their investors are on their case, and this happens to be their hometown. So they've called me in hopes of becoming their partner, if we can agree on a deal. Hi, you guys. How are you?
Welcome to Mi Casa. Just kidding.
I see, Su Casa. We can start with the front yard. I think that this part of the yard might be an indication of what's going on inside.
You're right.
Is that
It's
right?
a little sneak peek.
A little sneak peek?
I'll let you lead.
Oh, man, I'll leave first because I came out the womb first. So basically, we bought here because it's actually near my mom's house. She lives right up the
cool.
street. And I brought my little brother in because who can you trust now more than your own blood?
How much did you get the house for?
We picked it up at $650.
What?
Yeah, it was a deal. I bought it sight unseen.
You purchased it for more than list price.
It was, but the comps are there.
How much is your budget right now?
Realistically, we're talking about 55. More like a lipstick, cosmetic type of flip.
We're not gonna break even on this one. You're going to make some money,
Oh, we are.
right?
Yeah, we should. We have to.
Wow, the stick-on tiles. But you know what? This room isn't bad.
Yep.
This is a great sized living room, a nice eating kitchen. Why don't you guys are going first. I'm not going first
sure?
in here in case I have to run. Oh, so you guys have already started gutting. Now, did you guys do this gut work or was it already like this?
Did this like over, took me what, 2 days to do? Saving us
That's
500
right.
bucks right there.
I love it.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, look at this. Okay, so we have a walk-in laundry room. Oh, a half bath. Oh, and we have, look at this sink. Oh, it is the smallest sink on the planet. Can we add a shower? This is a great room. And look at, we have a sliding door. You guys, I'm excited.
Yeah, I am too.
Listen,
Yeah.
but there's a half bath. We have plumbing and we have space, which we do between that huge walk-in laundry room and this bedroom. You would have to spend money to add a shower.
Definitely.
So we have 2 full bathrooms. I told you, at first I was gonna be the last so I could run, but now I'm gonna be the first so I can run. Come on, you guys, I'll take you on a tour. Oh, a hot mess bathroom. Okay, yeah, that's a mess, but it's spacious though. Oh gosh, okay, they have a little privacy wall right here. Oh, look at this old school door.
Yeah.
So this is bedroom number 2. Nice size. These are 2 good bedrooms so far.
So far.
Ooh, these cobwebs though. Ooh, look at all the cobwebs on the wall. Okay, let's keep going. Another huge bedroom. Wow.
Yeah, this is huge.
This looks great. But this door that's off, clearly
That's the only
going to
caveat. The garage that comes into here.
A buyer will walk in here and be like, yeah, no, we're not gonna walk into a whole bedroom from the garage.
Right.
We need this as a real, true 3rd bedroom. This is a great bedroom. Okay, so we have to move the door. Well, let's see the backyard. Oh, it's pretty outside. This is nice. It's much bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
It is. And you got nature. You hear the birds?
I do. But I just really think that you let the next buyer do what they wanna do, give them a nice, clean slate to work with and just make it pretty.
Good idea. They'll save us some money, so yeah, I like that.
But even in looking at the comps, you know, people aren't going crazy in their backyards because people just want to get out here. We're on a really tight timeline, right?
Exactly.
We're in about,
Yesterday?
30 days?
30 days? So what are we talking about cost-wise if we go over this 30 days?
talking about another 5,600 that we're taking a hit on. So we just
That's a
don't.
hit.
That's it. It's game time.
It's game time.
We have 30 days?
Once you leave,
Less than 30
we're
days.
starting.
Once you, we go, and
Yeah.
So we have in 30 days.
Mm-hmm.
And You know, part of my success comes from the team that I trust and respect. My contractor and designer are now meeting me at the house so we can get going. This will be fun meeting Mitch and Francesca here. They're gonna be shocked first by the smell, then they'll be really excited to know that we have to get it done in 30 days. Hello, hello.
Howdy.
Hey, how do you like everything?
I mean,
Including the smell.
need some love.
Yeah, they were really dirty, but you got a chance to walk through everything?
Yeah, I just walked through the house.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's Francesca?
She's coming. I know she's close.
Okay. Okay, so this kitchen, the younger brother demoed it himself.
Right.
So they're already saving money. He did good, right?
Elbow grease.
But this is what I think is really cool. So we have 3 bedrooms and only 1.5 baths.
Notice that.
Right?
Yeah, notice that one.
We gotta add a shower bath.
That was my first thought in here.
So let me just show you this real quick, Mitch. So this is where the challenges come with our new flippers. So this is the biggest bedroom. And we have this door that leads to the garage.
Right, bit of a shame, isn't it?
It is. Now there is a front door right there,
It is right there.
but here's like a space.
You've still got to move the door.
We can move it over there.
Yeah, not a problem.
But does this become a problem? So this is the space on the other side of the garage that could be the entrance from the garage. But that leaves us 2 doors. Your turn.
I mean, it does. There's no hiding the fact that it leaves us 2 doors.
Hello.
Well, hey, you're
Hi.
looking nice, all designerish and stuff.
That's why I'm so late. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
Smells a little funky in here.
Well, they had some litters.
Wow.
And this fake
There's not much to
fireplace
it.
thing, what is
We're gonna save it.
Right? They ordered it online and they created their own little mantle.
keeping this?
No.
No!
Oh.
No, the previous owners did this.
Oh, I thought they just did that.
This came with the house.
No, yeah.
What did you come up with so far?
It's an easy house. It's 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. We're gonna add a shower to what we're going to turn into the main bedroom. There's a door in this bedroom that leads to the garage. So we're gonna close it up. We're gonna try to put a wall here.
Yeah,
okay?
maybe build a wall through here, create a little hallway space, just so you're not looking at 2 doors.
We can knock this wall down and open it up because I believe that where you were just standing, it was too into the living room anyway with the island. I think it's gonna be pushed back just a little bit more.
Okay. You really broke through.
All right, but back up.
Okay. Oh, dang! Just rip this thing out. Oh! All right. Well, okay.
Mitch! Oh my God. You animal, you! Woo! Hey! That was excellent.
All right, we gotta leave you with this wall. Bye. See you later.
Wow. All right, look at this. Look at
That's
all the light
insane.
coming in. It already looks great.
There you go, Mitch.
Finish it, I'm out of here.
You know I got Mitch on payroll now. Let's do it.
You guys got it? I know you need our muscle.
We'll finish this off.
Me and Mitch got this.
We'll be back.
Oh.
Woo! It looks really good. So I like to meet with local agents whenever I'm flipping. The approach is really twofold. On one hand, I get a sounding board for what I'm doing in the area. And on the other, I nurture a contact that just might bring me a sale. Hey, Arby!
Hey, Paige.
The flippers that I'm helping, they're having some challenges with this flip. They bought it sight unseen, paid well over list price for it, and once they got there, it's really in disrepair. It's a really awful property with good bones.
Right.
I don't want the flippers that I'm working with to think that they can just come in and do a quick cosmetic job as is,
Right.
because this is a higher priced property now.
Absolutely.
So this is a different minded buyer.
Buyers are stretching so far to get into properties, they want to get into something that's absolutely turnkey. A lot of buyers are flocking to the open concepts, the primary bedrooms with the in-suite bathrooms and
Yeah.
walk-in closets.
Okay, good. So I'm
You're
on
on the right
track.
track.
We only have 30 days to do it.
Oh my God.
Yes, the pressure is on.
I'm gonna be calling you.
Please do.
Day 25.
That's right.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Thanks, Paige.
Thank
Nice meeting you.
I'll see you soon. You too.
Hey, Paige.
Hey, Paige.
Sure.
It's It's looking good in here. We did this.
You did it.
Oh, you did it.
Anthony, you came in and knocked out the rest of it, but wow, this really opened up.
I think having a hanging range will just open it up and just be more presentable, especially that curb appeal. You're already walking in already, and you see a beautiful kitchen. I think it's gonna help out.
So clearly it's great to put the refrigerator right here.
Yeah, it's
Right.
So
right there.
it'll fit right here, that hanging vent hood.
Where's the gas line at?
Right here.
Right here. So it would probably come in
Right there.
Right here.
I wish we could like figure out a recessed vent of some sort. I mean, we can get creative with that.
Yeah.
I just don't want to create another eyesore. Because you walk in, you see the vent, that's it, and then you miss all of the kitchen.
Yeah, I feel that.
I'll
Did you
leave it
see
up to
that,
you.
Anton?
I do see it.
Everything looks great though, and I'm really excited to see our new shower bath. So lead the way. Let's see what's going on back there.
Oh, so you under that first?
is Paige.
How are you?
Hi.
Abel, this looks really good.
Oh yeah, thank you.
It does. So this is the back wall for our new full shower bath in the owner's suite. And it doesn't take away from this part of the laundry area at all.
That's right.
Nope.
No.
Because it was oversized anyway. Hey, Mitch.
Hey, Paige.
Looks like we're getting a solid wall in that bedroom.
Close it up.
Nice.
Yep, now we've got a functional bedroom.
Well, show me around.
Let's have a look.
Yes.
See what's going on in there. All right.
You know, I have noticed there's some changes on the outside of the house too that I noticed.
design-wise, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, my famous, amazing flippers. You've snuck some surprises in on us. I didn't know about all of this.
We decided to do that just to get the integrity of the neighborhood because we're so close to the mountains.
I feel it's like a little cabin-esque mixed with some farmhouse.
Exactly.
Definitely
That's what we're going
different.
for.
You know, it does look good. The install looks really good. But how much did this cost?
Well, it was actually 1,000 because I did the labor. Materials.
You
like,
did it,
yeah,
Anton?
I
Well
did
done,
this.
Anton.
Can
yeah.
you come
How
with
long
us
did it take
everywhere?
you?
Yeah, you inspired me, so I was like, I gotta be like Mitch.
Yeah.
You know what, then I'm really not mad at that, because that's so hands-on.
I
So we didn't even
appreciate
pay for the
that.
labor,
Yeah.
it's the materials, and it's heart in it. Anthony and Anton have strong construction skills, so that was never an issue with them because they rock. They partnered with me because they needed an execution plan and guidance. They don't need someone to tell them they can't put up beautiful wood siding for only $1,000. That's not a partnership. What? Oh my gosh.
Yep, these guys have got this all glued up,
Gorgeous.
ready to set it. The island countertop's actually coming through the door right now as we speak, you guys.
Oh, nice. Perfect.
Ooh.
Yes. Great
That looks beautiful.
So when I pulled up, this thing does not look like what it did online when you guys bought it. Looks good, street looks great.
This house was crazy, okay? This room had a solid wall and pocket door with a small entrance.
Functionality-wise, it's beautiful. And it gives you that more open floor plan, entertaining while you're cooking. So I love everything you guys have done, especially the backsplashes, the color on the lower cabinets, the two-tone cabinets throughout. The wood that just kind of flows all the way through. Is this wood or is this laminate?
It's upgraded laminate.
Beautiful, and you can have it in the kitchen, and it kind of just helps the whole place flow into each other. So I'm very impressed.
You have this beautiful gas stove that actually has a down vent draft.
It's unique that you even have appliances in a flip. A lot of flippers will just leave it vacant.
Now I want to show you something else. This solid wall right here used to be the opening to go to a half bath and a secondary bedroom.
Awkward.
Very. So we're gonna remember this, and we're gonna remember our kick out in the living room.
Noted. I love it.
Now, this bedroom is very interesting. Great
Yeah,
bedroom.
great bedroom.
There was a door that leads to the garage in the bedroom with these makeshift stairs that were like
Direct access to your
direct-
bedroom.
To your bedroom.
That would have really limited you as far as placement. Good
This is
job
a-
removing it.
Thank you.
It's not a master suite, but in this area, around 1,300 square feet, you're not expecting it. So this falls right in line.
Great. All in all, this house ended up selling for $900,000. The original purchase price was $650,000. The renovation budget was $55,000, and after my 30% split of $15,000, that left a profit for the flippers of $180,000. I'm proud of the work we did in Tahunga. Not only did we complete the flip in under 30 days, I'll now be working with Anthony and Anton on future flips in Tujunga, so for me, it's one big W.